All right, so once you finish grilling the steak, um, you, and you cut it open and let it rest, and you cut it open, you see that if it's done, this is a nice medium pink. Um, and now we're gonna cut it into slices because we're gonna make a sandwich out of this. Um, if you notice the striation on the meat, so what we want to do is you want to cut in this direction right here. All right, and since it's really wide, so what we're gonna do is let me take a small piece like that. And again, remember the striation is in the grain of the meat. All right. Now tri-tip is a little tricky because the grain changes direction halfway through. So what I want to do is the grain's a little bit like that. So you want to cut sort of in this direction. All right. All right. So if you don't like your meat too raw, this is be perfect. Nice and pink right here. Now it'd be perfect to make a sandwich with. All right.